What's up YouTube? It's Ben, and in this video, I want to talk about being proactive versus being reactive. Hey guys, if you don't know who I am Ben Nader. I do videos on entrepreneurship, business, investing, real estate, recruitment, and everything in between. If you like that kind of stuff, you should definitely subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back to my channel. If you're not in our Facebook group, Recruiter Empire, link right down below this video. Join our group. We have 13,000 entrepreneurs in there. We would love for you to be the next. Join the group. Alrighty, so I want to talk to you today about kind of a productivity hack, which is being more proactive than reactive, or ideally 100% proactive and not reactive whatsoever. Now, stick with me until the end on this video because this is a little bit of a deep concept. Even though it seems clearly obvious, there are many, many nuances to this and many, many ways to execute this in your daily life and especially in your business. And it means a lot because it could mean the difference between your revenue, your profitability, your efficiency in life, and the goals you actually achieve overall. Okay, so let's start with the small stuff, like what is being proactive, what is being reactive? Well, it's really quite simple, and you probably already know the basics. Being proactive means that you personally come up with whatever it is you're gonna do first, and you do it, right? Reactive means that you have a situation or scenario come into your world, come into your ecosystem, and then you react. You take action based upon what's coming at you. So your reaction is the reactive part. Now, when you look at those two concepts, being proactive versus being reactive, you might not see exactly why one is beneficial over the other, or why being proactive is gonna make you 10x more powerful, more profitable, and just better in life overall versus being reactive. But there is truth to this. There is some serious power behind having a proactive mindset versus a reactive mindset. Let me give you some examples. All right, I'm gonna give it to you straight, cut, dry, and to the point. Being reactive is the person that literally thinks they have no control. It's the person that thinks that they have everything out to get them. It's the person that blames everyone else. It's the person that literally has no goals, no ambition, nothing that they're looking forward to doing, nothing that they're taking action on doing, and they're simply letting life happen to them. Now, on the opposite side is the proactive mindset, the proactive person, right? Now, being proactive is the person that has goals, that has a mindset worthy of action, that they have a plan, right? They have things they want to do, they're executing on those things, they're basically reverse engineering whatever the goal is back to what they have to do, then they're actually doing those things to get there, right? Go figure. They're being proactive about everything. They know that life doesn't happen to them, they happen to life. When you realize this, mind blown. Big difference, okay? When you understand the difference between being proactive versus reactive, everything should change in your life because you could probably see all the areas currently in your life that you are being reactive. And you can also be seeing some of the areas in your life that you're being proactive.
Oh, now I see. Now I get it.
The ideal scenario, however, is to figure out where you can be the most proactive the majority of the time rather than being reactive. Reactive is a space you don't want to be in. It's a low vibration. It's a low frequency. It has low energy. Being proactive is high frequency. It's high energy. It's high vibration. It gets you to the places you want to get, right? Being reactive is not where you want to be the majority of the time. And I'll take it back to the simple concept that I said before. Being reactive just means that you think everything happens to you. Being proactive means that you have power, right? 80% of everything in this life you have control over. 20% is everything else that happens, and you get to choose what happens, which leads me directly to my next point. Stephen Covey, the amazing author, wrote a book where he emphasized there is a particular space right between what happens to you in life, right, and your reaction to it. right? Your reaction or proactivity towards it, right? So sometimes in life, there are things that we cannot control. We understand this. This should be basic 101 for everybody. There's things that are simply out of our control. But you absolutely 100% get to choose how you react towards those things. So when you can't be fully proactive, you can be choosing how you react to certain things. When you finally understand that there is this space between how you react to the things you can't control in life, everything will change for you. And when you understand that you have a choice to make the best of those scenarios or simply just lay down and be totally reactive to it, that is powerful. That right there can change everything in your life. Literally. Look, the moral of the story here is if you're being a proactive person, you're gonna be the person that gets to the mountaintop first. You're gonna be the person that's leading the pack. You're gonna be the person that's leading a team, a group of people, that's leading your business, that's making your business more profitable, more relevant, right? If you're being reactive, you're simply gonna think, well, that's not gonna work for me. I can't do that. I don't know how to do that. I'm just gonna sit around and kind of let life happen to me. It's amazing the stark difference between these two mindsets and how easy it is to pivot between one or the other. You have a choice. It's binary. It's black and white. You can look at something and say, okay, do I want to be proactive or reactive about this? As soon as you make the proactive choice, you are instantly becoming the alpha. You instantly become the person that controls the situation, controls the outcome, and controls the overall ecosystem that you live in, right? Like everything comes out of that. If you're the reactive person, you're not controlling anything. You're simply letting everything else control you. This is why you'll find most successful people that raise to greatness are all proactive people. They go out and do things. They go out and choose their outcomes, right? And you'll find that all reactive people, mostly all reactive people, are letting things happen to them, and they'll just wind up wherever the river takes them, right? Wherever the current flows, that's where they go, right? Because they think they have no control over whatever happens to them in life, whereas it's totally the opposite. Now, like I said before, this might be insanely obvious to you, but there's so much nuance to it. There's so many details to this concept. There's so much to this mindset that you've got to really wrap your mind around it and basically choose. You got to make a decision. Are you going to be proactive or reactive in everything that comes your way in life and business? I can only hope from this video that you take away having a proactive mindset versus a reactive mindset is going to take you 10x further than you'll ever be with a reactive mindset. Being proactive is going to take you all the way to your destination, all the way to your vacation, all the way to your goal, all the way to the ultimate end of what you want, right? Not what the world sets out for you, but what you want, right? That is the proactive mindset. That is what I wish for you to take value out of this video. All right, guys, if you understood that, if you took some value out of that, I really hope that you would smash that like button, be proactive on it, hit that like button, subscribe as well. Also, be sure that you're in our Facebook group, Recruiter Empire, link in description right down below this video. We would love to have you as our brand new member there, and I'll see you next time.